Oedipus is speaking again of the future. What happens when he is already a cult hero who has been adopted by the Athenians, and there's his body anchored in this beautiful sacred grove of Colonus, and he says, there in my tomb under the earth, where my sleeping and hidden corpse, cold as it is, will at some moment in the future drink their hot blood. And the hot blood here is the blood of the Thebans, who used to be his countrymen. And the idea is that if the Thebans ever attack the Athenians, then Oedipus, even though he's a former Theban, will now take the Athenian side. And this idea of drinking their hot blood implies that not only is blood shed, but once again, and this happens so often in the setting of a heroic age, the shedding of human blood and the shedding of animal blood is confused.
Because you're thinking about the sort of sacrifices that would happen for the hero.
That's right. And if you're sacrificed to the hero, you pour the hero the hot blood of a ram you've just slaughtered, but not the hot blood of a human. So in the heroic age, there's this regular confusion of sacrificing a sacrificial animal, which is ritually correct, and which is the way we do things in Athens in the late 5th century BCE. And then the heroic age, where when you say blood, you're not sure whether it's human blood or animal blood. Very confusing. But at least it's for the protection of the Athenians.
Can you ask about that confusion?
Yes.
So the confusion that happens in myth, does that allow substitution to be more effective in ritual?
Oh yes, because ritual is neat, myth is messy, and ritual is what clears things up, and where you understand clearly, oh, we don't sacrifice humans anymore, or the shedding of a human's blood does not count as a sacrifice, even in warfare. In the present, in the ritual present, all of that is cleared up, and we all know that the animal is a substitute for a human.
Can you talk about the sleeping aspect of this passage?
Yes, sleeping and hidden. Well, it's hidden because it's a mystery of where exactly the sacred spot is, where somewhere underneath in the Mother Earth, this foreign object is now a native object because Oedipus has donated his body. And the idea that it's sleeping is a play on the fact that the cult hero is somehow immortalized, and the cult hero is in control of when his consciousness makes contact with the consciousness of the living who worship him or her. And to say that the corpse is sleeping just shows you that all you have to do to make contact is to activate the corpse's consciousness by way of pouring sacrificial blood. But that's not the blood of humans, that's the blood of rams. It's just that, again, the way Oedipus is talking, he is fusing, and in our mind, almost confusing sacrificial animal blood and human blood that is flowing because of warfare.